I just like threw my phone at the desk. Okay. I think I just had an identity crisis. Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my gifted by Ipsy PR stuff for the month of December 2020. I cannot believe that this is the last month of 2020. It's kind of crazy. Hopefully 2021 is a better year for, you know, mankind, because this year kind of wasn't great. But anyways, our Ipsies this month came in a big box because there's another box in there. So let's just open this up and see what's all in here. I'm not gonna lie, I got overexcited and I already peeked. Okay, I can't help myself. I get overexcited and it ships to my mom's house, so I get there and I'm like, bust it open. I gotta know right now. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the little extra box that was included. It says it's called refreshments. So I don't really know much about this. I don't. So, we're gonna open it. It was just some add-ons, so I don't know if this is going to be like something we'll be getting every month, or if this is just for the month of December. I don't really know, but the packaging is really cute. Their little stickers, cutie and holographic, and like all the patterns on the box. It's all super cute. So, let's just open it up real quick. So, when you open it, some stickers fall out, and the stickers are all holographic, and I love stickers, so those are what those look like. So then when you open the box, it says, why settle for basics when you can have refreshments? And then there is a bag, and it's super cute and it's floral. You know who would really like this? My best friend. She loves floral. This is what it looks like, and it has this pattern as the string. It like contrasts very nicely. I'm like watching my monitor to show you guys this. So it's a drawstring bag, so you open it up. Okay, so the first item we get in here is this Refreshments Velvety Body Cream in the Citrus Spritz scent. It looks like this. The bottle is about as long as my head. And it says, dive into rich velvety moisture for a royal glow. Nourishes and restores quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. Love that it's quick absorbing. I hope that's true, because that's one of the reasons I can't use lotion. I hate how long it takes to absorb. And it says, our sparkling clean promise, always vegan and free of parabens. Oh, how do I say this one? Sulfates and PHTHALATES. Phthalates. I can't read. So yeah, that is what that looks like. And then next in this bag we have the Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream, also in Citrus Spritz. And it says the same thing on the back, and it's just a little one, and it's pink. Super cute. This would be great to put in a purse. And then the last item that we have in this little bag is the Refreshments Cleansing Makeup Wipes, or Cleansing Face Wipes, and it's a fitted count. And the packaging of this matches the packaging of the bag, and I just thought that was so stinking cute. It says, rinse-free removal of makeup, dirt, and oil, leaves skin feeling fresh and hydrated. So, and it says the same thing about always vegan and free of all the things, so that's pretty cool. Again, I'm not really 100% for sure why these were included in our boxes this month, but I'm not complaining about it. I'm excited to try new brands and new things. So I'm kind of wondering if this is a brand by Ipsy. So hopefully we'll get more information on it soon, and we'll find out. But now let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So when you flip it open, this is what it looks like. And we got some goodies this month, little gifts. I mean, this whole thing is a gift, but we got some like things that don't have to do with the products you get sent. The first one is this Happy Holiday from Ipsy Open Studios 200-piece puzzle. And I don't know why, but when I opened it, the first time I opened it, I was like, a jar of paint? My mom was like, what? And I was like, a jar of paint? I don't know why, but this just made me think it was a jar of paint from the back. But then you open it, and it's like one of those, like, it's like a peanut can when you know, open a peanut can. Maybe. But I'm excited for this. I might take it to my Grammys for Christmas so we can all like put a puzzle together or something. And then I also got the Ipsy deck of cards. Whoop. And I opened them, but I didn't take them out of the plastic wrap, but they're super cutie. And I also might take these over to my Grammys because my Grammy collects cards. She loves card games and stuff like that. So I'm going to start with the regular Ipsy Glam bag. So it is in this cute little furry bag this month. That's kind of like the teddy bear coats people wear, and then it has a little like wristlet zipper on it. Wait, I don't know why I'm struggling to get this on my wrist. So yeah, and it's light pink, so it's super cute, and then yeah, it's super cute. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into the products that are inside here. I'm going to start with the one that came outside of here, but I really like this one, so I'm excited about it, so I'm going to start with it first. It is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It says elastic stretch volumizing mascara. So it looks like this, and you open it up, and it's just, you know, a little tube in the middle like that. And there's some information on it if you guys would like to pause and read. But I really like this stuff. I think it's really great. So yeah, and again, I love little mini travel size mascaras because they're good for like if your friend comes over and they want their makeup done and they don't have any mascara, then you can just like whip one of those out and be like, I haven't used this one. I'm not getting, like, we're not sharing germs, and then you know, and then you can just be like, and you can have it when it's all done. So yeah. And then the next product we have in here is another product that I love. It is the Pore Professional Pore Minimizer by Benefit. And again, love these mini ones. Great for traveling when you don't want to take the full size with you. And if you lose like the little travel size samples, it's okay because, you know, it's not like, you know, so you're spending $35 on one big one and then you forget it in Florida and you're like, oh no. One time I forgot a really nice sunscreen in Florida in the bathroom, and I may or may not have cried about it. So yeah. Next up we have the Purelisse Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum, and it says hydrates, intensely firms and brightens to decreases puffiness, and it's just a little eye serum. And then we have this Wonder Beauty Skyliner. It is an automatic gel pencil liner. If I can open this, I want to know. I think, and it is in the color Jet Black, so it's just a black gel eyeliner pencil, but I want to see it. So it is just one of the like twist up gel eyeliner pencils. And then last in the regular Ipsy Glam bag, we have the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. So yeah, that is everything in the Ipsy Glam bag for the you know, gifted by Ipsy PR bag, at least for mine, because I did actually find out, one of you guys commented on my last Ipsy video that people actually received different PR packages. So this is my dog's nose. Which I was unaware of that because my mom and I have always received the same ones, so I honestly just kind of assumed everyone was getting the same thing because I never really watch Ipsy PR unboxing videos. Okie dokie, so now let's get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. So we get another furry bag. This one is red. This one is actually a lot softer than the other one. It's also like water. I would say like that's like waterproof on the inside. This is what the inside looks like. I mean, not waterproof, but like wicker, water resistant for like a certain amount of time, like a certain period. And this is just a drawstring bag, and I think this would be like super cute to make like a little elf on the shelf Santa sack. So like any moms out there, I'm not a mom, I am just an older sister, or I was a nanny. I'm currently a babysitter. But yeah, so that my mind, I guess, just thinks relatively mom-ish. I don't know, I love kids. So anyways, I think that'd be really cool to make into like a little Santa sack for your elf on the shelf. So please use that idea, and then like send it to me on Instagram or Twitter. But right now the Twitter app's deleted on my phone, so I can have storage while I wait for my new phone to come in. Anyways, let's go into the products. So I'm super excited about all of these. They all just, I'm just excited. Okay, so starting off we have, I keep the brush guards, you guys already know. This is the, can I say this? Bean gotchas? Bean gotchas? I don't know. I can't pronounce anything. I cannot. But it is a powder brush, and this is what it looks like. And I love the green like gradient on it. Really pretty. It's like green into gold. And I like to keep these little brush things. So I'm gonna keep the little brush sleeve on it. Next up we have this, again, I can't verify, 2020 phytoglycogen peptide eye cream. I think I said that correctly. That's what it looks like for the packaging. And what does it, oh, this is nice. What do you do? I like, again, no sulfites, paraben, mineral oils, fragrance, silicones, and the other word that I can't pronounce, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. That's, oh, and woman in STEM. That's super neat. Okay, so, okay. So, the phytocollagen helps to reveal bright and even skin tone, provides the skin with a deep hydration, and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I love that. Peptide, a combination of peptides, dramatically reduces the appearance of wrinkle length and volume. Again, love that. No, you know, I can't spell. I can't do that, but I also can't read or pronounce anything. Niacinamide, okay, vitamin, niacinamide? I don't know, I'm sorry. Vitamin B helps to brighten and nourish the under eye area, and then cucumber, a soothing and refreshing ingredient, helps to decrease the appearance of puffiness and hydrates the skin. This is what the bottle looks like. It's super cute. I love that there's kind of like, I like that these last two products have been like green and gold, because I'm like, Christmas. So that is what that looks like. And then we have this Clean and Effect, this is the Tula Skincare So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. It says robotic skincare. What? Clean and effective. We are committed to bringing you clean, safe, and effective products. We look into research and clinical studies to determine which ingredients we do and do not include. 100% free from the word I can't pronounce again, parabens, mineral oil, sodium lauryl sulfates, formaldehyde releasing agents, and they're cruelty-free. You get smoother, brighter, and more even-looking skin with this gentle yet effective sugar scrub. Sugar scrub provides effective physical exfoliation without damaging the skin. Fruit enzymes from papaya and pineapple chemically exfoliate and polish the skin. Probiotics help balance the complexion and decrease the look of inflammation. Pores are unclogged and reduced appearance of blackheads. You're left with smooth, polished, glowing skin. Apply a dime-sized amount. Gently massage within circular motions. Rinse with warm water 2 to 4. Use 2 to 4 times per week. This sounds amazing. Everything just sounds so great. So this is what the little box looks like, and this is what the actual packaging looks like. I'm so excited to try this. I've been getting so much skincare recently in my boxes, so I'm just like, I want to try everything, but I know that I need to like one at a time. It's been great. Like, it's fun. I like trying skincare, and it's just great. So next we have the QMS Medi Cosmetics Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. It's in a little box like this. It says nourishing cream, power packed with revitalizing vitamins and botanical marine complex to moisturize, protect, renew all day and night. Key concern maintaining moisturization throughout, moisturization and nourishment. And then it says it is for dry to normal skin type. So perfect for me because that's essentially what I am, unless it's summer. Like in this time of year, that's my skin type. Wow, this packaging kind of, okay. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's such a vibrant blue color. It's like a snowflake. I can't stop thinking about Christmas. Oh, this is like a mirror. Kinda is a distorting one. Oh, that's my mannequin head. Yeah, that's my mannequin head that I use to make all my like liquid latex pieces on. I was trying to show you guys yourself. There you are. Can you see the mirror behind the camera? And then my ring light. So yeah, exciting. I'm just like so stocked up on skincare right now. It's actually insane, and it's like I want to open everything and like try everything, but I know that if I do that, my skin will most definitely break out. So I've been trying to, you know, hurry up and use everything up so that way I can open something new. I'm just really excited. And then last but not least, we have the Nomad Toscana. Can Hailey talk ever? No, I can't read. I can, but not well. I don't know how to pronounce anything. Everything in my brain gets like jumbled up. It's, you know, it's a good fun time having dyslexia. Anyways, I'm gonna try the Nomad times Toscana palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. Toscana. So we're gonna open it on up. Tuscany. Oh wait, intense eyeshadow. Okay, it says Tuscany on the back. That might have something to do with this. And we open it up. There's a wonderful sized mirror up there, and then 9 beautiful natural tone eyeshadows. This is such a pretty and natural nude palette, but you also have those darker options to smoke it out. So I'm super excited to try this. I kind of am like, well, maybe I should put this in my makeup kit instead of taking it for myself. We'll see, because sometimes I get a little bit selfish, and sometimes I buy things that I get to put in my makeup kit, and then I'm like, I'm gonna keep it for me. And then it's like I don't have anything for my makeup kit. So I just need to start buying 2 of everything, basically, is what I'm hearing from myself right now. But that was all for this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!